सो हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं हैक्टोबरफेस्ट 2020 स्वैग के बारे में, जो मेरे घर पे कल ही डिलीवर हुआ है। सो लेट्स अनबॉक्स इट। देखते हैं इसके अंदर क्या कूल स्टफ्स निकलते हैं। वाओ, दिस इज कूल, दिस इज रियली रियली कूल। हैक्टोबरफेस्ट 2020 टी शर्ट। नाउ नेक्स्ट मूव अहेड और देखते हैं और क्या क्या है। वाओ, these stickers. This one is opensourceindeed.com. This one is DigitalOcean. This one is 1H. Matter the most. This one is CockroachDB. And this one is, yeah, Sammy. Its name is Sammy. HacktoberFest sticker. Intel. Yeah, this is cool. This is really the dev sticker. Oh, this one is also good. See, yeah, this is HacktoberFest badge. And this is one also, raise.dev. This is circle.ci. This is JetBrains and one card also. Enjoy these stickers and tag us with your laptop. We are at Practical Dev and Social. That's all. And this is a simple card. So guys, if you like my video, please do subscribe my channel, and also do let me know in comment section if you want to know about these open source programs or contests. Then I will make videos on them also. Okay, thank you.